Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by updating and opening YouTube on the device you want to change. You need to confirm the app and OS are current. Outdated software often keeps the cast icon visible. Once done, disable nearby casting devices or briefly toggle Wi-Fi so YouTube refreshes device discovery. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and navigate to a video where the cast icon appears. That reproduces the condition, so you can apply the removal steps immediately. Now you remove the cast icon by disabling discovery and resetting app state. On Android, go to Settings Connected Devices and turn off cast. On iOS, disable Bluetooth and nearby device permissions. Next, inside YouTube, go to Settings History and Privacy and clear watch and search data so stale device links drop. If the icon persists, open App Info, clear cache, and restart the app. This forces a fresh device scan. Make sure to relaunch YouTube to confirm changes. Finish by rebooting both your device and the router to ensure no cast service remains active on the network. If the cast icon still appears, sign out of YouTube and sign back in, or uninstall and reinstall the app. That often resolves corrupted settings. As a troubleshooting tip, inspect your router for MDNS or UPnP settings that advertise devices, and if one specific gadget keeps reappearing, consider resetting it to factory defaults. Once fixed, verify on a clean launch of YouTube.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.